Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Vechain price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Vechain chart, which at the time of this recording is trying to battle out the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area highlighted here on the charts using this red target area, and all this has played out after we fully peaked in that first wave to the upper side in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.02348 mark. And now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3, and to also show you that we are seeing a bit of an impulsive movement to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, you can see that Vechain is holding above the wave 1 high, which lies at around the $0.02348 mark, which is the first confirmation that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch my target area in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening and also give you my long-term scenarios, where you can see that after bottoming out in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 2 that I'm expecting on the long-term scenarios within this blue target area, we started an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3, and because of its impulsive nature, I'm also expecting to see another 5 wave structure in formation because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And it is this micro Elliott wave count that is going to give me the short-term scenarios, and I believe that is the move that is playing out here on the Vechain chart, where we have now peaked in that larger Elliott wave count 1 after seeing a 5 wave structure. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and we also bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and now whatever we expected next was the start of the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of the wave 3, I also expected to see another 5 wave structure in formation, where you can see I have this Elliott wave structure in white, where we have peaked in the wave 1, also seen a corrective structure in this wave 2, and now the primary scenario is the formation of this wave 3, and now giving you the target areas in the formation of that wave 3, which I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the Fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the Fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.2581 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Vechain to do here on the short-term scenarios. And as long as we are holding above the wave 1 high, then that is enough confirmation that this movement to the upside is the formation of this wave 3, and there is a high likelihood that we are going to fully maximize our target areas very soon. And we need to keep our eyes on our next key area of resistance at around the $0.02436 mark, and the moment we manage to break above that, then we can expect a successful retest. And once the retest is in and a success, then that move will trigger even higher prices to fully maximize our minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios, and those are my short-term scenarios targets here on the Vechain chart. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 43 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, though we are seeing a bit of a decrease in the selling momentum, suggesting that soon we might be able to print a bullish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.